Hi, my name's Andy van der Gugten and I'm an Agile coach at SoftEd. Today we're going to talk about success trade-off sliders. At the beginning of each project or initiative, we're faced with certain constraints. Traditionally, we would have expressed those as scope, time, cost, and quality. We're still going to use these, but we're expanding them by stakeholder satisfaction and team happiness. It is important that you include your entire team, your product owner, and your stakeholder in this conversation where we will decide what is most important across these constraints. We want to have clarity and buy-in from everyone involved to ensure that we can deliver successfully for this project or initiative. In this example, the team, together with the product owner and the stakeholders, have decided that budget and quality are of the highest importance. These are followed by stakeholder satisfaction, team happiness, and they've decided that scope and time are of a lesser priority. You can also think of this as items on the right being more fixed and items on the left being more flexible. Once we start working on our project or our initiative, we might get towards the end of our budget. Because we've had an upfront conversation, we can now come back to our success trade-off sliders and have another discussion about possibly cutting scope, because this was defined as being more flexible. Throughout the project or initiative, the team can now make decisions based on what was agreed. We've said that budget and quality is of highest importance, but as time goes on, we might decide to cut back on scope to meet these criteria. An alternate way of running this is to still use the same criteria, but we're only using 5 columns and we're starting in the middle. Because we have 6 criteria and starting at the number 3, this gives us a total of 18 points to play with. So in this case, we decided that budget is a bit of a lower priority to meet this constraint, and the team is willing to put in some overtime in the short term to meet the deadline. The important bit is that the team owns this decision together, and their buy-in makes this possible. Often we think about project constraints in terms of good, fast, and cheap. I hope this gives you a more holistic approach to managing constraints. Give it a go with your team on your next project or initiative. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.